Everyone, and welcome to this new Arduino tutorial, where today we'll be working on this module which is called the RTC module, which is real-time clock. Okay, the series number of this module is DS3231, but there are other series of the stuff. What basically is the real-time clock? Is a device which maintains hours, minutes, seconds, as well as date, months and years. So we can use it basically. You put here, here's a battery here with which it can retain all of those information in more than a year without erasing, without going. So in this case we are just going to use it, and then we are just going to display the time on and the date on an RTC, just as on the phone or like on a clock. Okay, now let me present to you the different parts of the RTC. In order to realize it, we further need our Arduino Uno as usual, which in this case, it is in my casing, my nice, beautiful and transparent casing. Okay, the RTC itself, the RTC module is here itself, the LCD and an I2C. Okay, here we see our RTC. We see here 32K, SQW, SCL, SDA, VCC and ground. In this case, we are going to use the SCL, SDA, VCC and the ground. The SCL and the SDA goes to the SCL and SDA of our Arduino, which is after pin 13 around here, the two last ones. While the analog pins also have the possibility of doing SDA and SCL, which are respectively analog 5 and analog 4 and analog 5, whereby analog 4 is the SDA and analog 5 is the SCL. Okay, while the VCC will be plugged to the normal VCC as we know, which is 5 volts, and then the ground goes to the normal ground as we know. And as I said, I'll put a card where you'll be able to find a video, or you look on one of my recent videos where I showed you how to hook the LCD with an I2C. Okay, without much talking, now let us start to the connections. Now we have hooked it up correctly. As you can see, I've used the SDA and the I2C uses SDA and SCL, which I used these two last pins after pin 13. And for the SDA and SCL of my RTC module, I use analog pin 4 and analog pin 5. The rest is just cable as usual, as normal. Okay, now let me plug on the stuff. When you plug on the RTC, you need to see a light to indicate that it is powered, and then we'll now go and then we'll check. We'll see it clearly there. You see the time. I put my time in 24-hour format, and you see the date down there, beautifully placed. And I'm going to put all of the codes and the wiring diagram and procedure in the description of the video. So I hope you enjoy the video. Put any worries inside the comment section, like the video, share the video, and most definitely subscribe for more is coming. I'd like to tell you see you next week.